Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Welcome back to online class of science. Students, as you all know, in my previous video, I have given you lesson number 4 explanation. That is little bit remaining. Today in this video, I am going to explain you full chapter and I will give you exercises and question answer of lesson number 4. So not further delay, take out your book. Dear students, here's your book. As I already told you in my previous video, I have explained lesson number 4, that is a little bit remaining. So today here you can see lesson number 4, this page explanation I have already given. So now open page number, here you can see 29. Till bees I have explained in my previous video. If you are having any doubt, you can see my that video. And today in this video I am going to give from here. Now listen, life cycle of a butterfly. In this topic we will read about life cycle of a butterfly. So butterflies are amongst the most beautiful insect. The egg hatch into tiny things, worm like larvae. Here you can see in the diagram. First of all, here butterfly's egg hatch into larvae. This is also called caterpillar. Caterpillar. Yeah. Now next line. The caterpillar, here you can see the caterpillar spend all its time eating leaves and it grow bigger and faster. It grow and faster, this caterpillar. After a few days, a caterpillar build a cage around itself called a cocoon. Here you can see in the diagram. In the diagram here you can see this is the cage. It is called cocoon. Okay. In this cocoon, it is made from a thread that come out the caterpillar's body. Here caterpillar's body secretes a thread by which it forms. Okay. Now next page. The caterpillar goes to sleep inside the cocoon. At this stage it is called pupa. That leaf-like structure, in this structure caterpillar sleeps, and this structure is called then pupa. Gradually the caterpillar change from a pupa into a butterfly. After that, pupa change into a butterfly inside the cocoon. When butterfly is ready to come out, the cocoon splits open and the butterfly come out. So this is the life cycle of butterfly. So first of all what I said, here you can see again I am telling you. First of all, egg hatches out and become caterpillar, and caterpillar come out from the egg. After that it secrete a thread that become cocoon around itself. After that cocoon, inside the cocoon it become pupa. After pupa it become butterfly. Okay students, so this is the life cycle of butterfly. I hope you all get it. Now next topic, harmful effects of insects. Some insects are harmful. Weevils are tiny brown insects that eat up store grains. Here you can see weevils. You have seen in the rice also. Now next, locusts lives in large swarms and damage crop. Here you can see locusts. Silverfish spoil books and eat up paper. This is silverfish. It's named silverfish, but it is not a fish. It is a insect. Okay. Now next, moths make hole in the woolen clothes and silk clothes as they eat them up. Moths. Okay. Now Hadleys live in hair of human beings. They cause itching. Here Hadleys. Housefly pick up germs when they sit on the rubbish. The germs get onto food when the flies sit on it. When we eat this infected food, it causes serious illness. So it's about housefly. Now next, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes lay eggs on stagnant water. रुका हुआ, stagnant का मतलब होता है रुका हुआ पानी. Some mosquitoes that bite can cause disease like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. So these are the disease caused by mosquito. How can we prevent? We can prevent insects from harming us in the following way. Number first, do not allow water to collect in puddles. Empty bottle, tiny room cooler. This will prevent mosquito from breeding. Keep the surrounding of the house clean. Third, spray insect repellents to kill harmful insects. And the last, fix wire mesh on the doors and windows to keep insect out of the house. These are the prevention of insect from harming us. I hope you students, you all get the explanation of this chapter. Now come on, book exercise. Here, first of all, new words you have to read. Insects, tiny creatures with head, thorax and abdomen having 6 legs. Spiracles, tiny holes on the abdomen of insects used for breathing. Okay. Now next, book exercise. First of all, a exercise here. Tick the correct. An example of a social insect is ant. Here you can see ant. Now next, ants that protect the colony are called soldier ants. C. The cells of the hive are shaped as a hexagon. Here you can see hexagon. Now D. An insect with wings is butterfly. Okay students, so this is the answer of your D part and the tick the correct option. You can take a screenshot to write down all these answers. Now come on next, match the following. First of all students, in this way you all have to write the alphabet here. First is Hadley's, itching, weevils, eat up grain, eat up stored grain, silverfish, eat up paper, moth, make hole in woolen clothes. Okay students, now next exercise, fill in the blanks. If you want to take a screenshot of this, you can take. Now come on next. From the egg of a butterfly hatch out caterpillars. It is also called larvae. Okay students, now B, locusts damage crops. Now next page, open page number 32. Here you can see mosquitoes cause disease like malaria, dengue, chikungunya. D question, all insects have 6 legs. So these are the answer of fill in the blanks. Now come on, question answers. You can see here your question answers. Answer the following question. Now come on the next slide. Here your first question is, explain the parts of an insect's body. So the answer is, the bodies of all insects are divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. So this is the answer of your first question. Now second, explain the life cycle of a butterfly. Support your answer with diagram. So students, you have to write the answer. After that you have to draw the diagram. The life cycle of butterfly consists egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Okay. Next, egg hatches into tiny things called caterpillars. It sleeps inside the cocoon and called pupa. As I already explained you in my explanation, gradually it changes into a butterfly. So this is the answer of your second question. And here's your diagram. Here you can see diagram. You all can take a screenshot of this paper, and this way you all have to draw the diagram. Now next, C question. Explain how ant shows division of labor. Ant shows division of labor in the following ways. Number first, queen ants lay eggs. Second, worker ants collect and store food. Third, soldier ants protect the colony. Okay students, now next, how can we prevent insects from harming us? We can prevent insects from harming us in the following ways. Keep the surrounding of the house clean. Fix wire mesh on the door and windows to keep insect out of the house. So these are the answer of your question answers. Okay students, now come on hot questions. Here's your hot question. You can see, why does your mother put naphthalene balls between the folds of woolen and silk clothes? So the answer is, naphthalene balls keep the insect away from the clothes. Students, naphthalene balls are the round shaped white color balls. This we keep in the clothes to keep the insects away from the clothes. So students, your lesson number 4 is over. I hope you all get everything. If still you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.